Okay, ma'am. It's ready.
Good morning, everyone, and a warm welcome to everyone for joining this online workshop, national workshop on digital teaching for smart learning. It is actually a great privilege for Title Second Teachers College to host this 1 week national online workshop on digital teaching for smart learning in association with MES Pillai's College of Education and Research, Mumbai. So, and I'm very happy to see all vibrant participants. A team of vibrant participants are participating here in this workshop, even in the midst of this COVID fear and lockdown scenario. So, abiding by the rules and principles of our government, both central and state, we are all staying safe, staying healthy, and maintaining social distancing at the same time. We are all connected technologically. This is a great event. And I don't want to extend my words so much, but still, I extend a warm welcome to our principal, Dr. Anita Mathai, in her absence because she is unable to join us now, but later she'll be joining and she has already sent her message, which Nasir Ali sir will be playing to you. And a special word of welcome to our sister institution, MES Pillai's College of Education Research, Mumbai, the principal, Dr. Reni Ma'am. She has also agreed, and it is actually a great pleasure to have in collaboration, to have conduct this workshop in collaboration with that institution. And also all the participants. It's a great event to see all of us from different parts of the country as well as outside the country also to join together and learn digitally so that we can be further vibrant teachers. And I welcome uh, my colleague Suramya teacher and the Titus fraternity all together joins hand to conduct this workshop. And with the help of my colleague and workshop coordinator, Surami teacher, we could assist, we could organize this workshop. And a special word of welcome to Nasir Ali sir, without whom this would have not been possible. And he is our courage. And Nasir Ali sir is a resource person, a great resource person indeed, I should say, because he's been conducting various online sessions, and based on the feedback of those participants only inspired us to conduct this workshop. So once again, welcoming all you all to this 1 week workshop, and hope this workshop will be the best one that you have ever attended. And let's practice in future also. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, thank you, ma'am. I shall play the. Okay, could you get the voice of ma'am? Sunila teacher, were you getting the voice of ma'am? One second. Okay, fine, fine. So I'll play from the beginning. Sorry for that. I'll play from the beginning.
I take this opportunity to pay my tribute to the government machinery, the health workers, voluntary organizations, the police, and affiliated services in coordinating and fighting the pandemic and simultaneously progressing the research and testing facilities with an effort to minimize the transmission of the dreadful virus. My heart also goes out to the many lives lost world over who have taught us the lethality of this global pandemic. Teaching through contact classes will always remain the preferred mode of progressive education. The scenario today, however, has suddenly placed a demand for online mode of imparting knowledge. The one major advantage of this mode is the reach and participation over a large spectrum. Let me thank God Almighty for giving the IQAC wing of this 63-year-old college, the Titus Second Teachers College, Thiruvalla, the impetus to get people connected all across the country and make the online event one of its kind, of a national workshop, a reality in its truest sense. We are blessed to collaborate with a sister institution in Mumbai, the MES Pillai's College of Education and Research. I was indeed overwhelmed to hear about the entries from almost all parts of the country and one from Sydney too. The making of the event is the vision of our IQAC coordinator, a senior faculty of the college, Dr. Sunila Thomas, who has been working tirelessly to achieve this unique goal in a very short span of time. She was assisted by one of our energetic teachers, Dr. Suramya Mathai. They are the coordinators of this workshop, and I am sanguine that they will certainly look into matters which would make this interaction meaningful and fruitful. I would also like to place on record the contribution and expertise of our resource person, Mr. Nasir Ali MK, from the Department of Education, Aligarh Muslim University, Malappuram Center, Kerala. He has been the brain behind the workshop, coordinating between IQAC and the governing board members, the staff, and the students in making this come true. The digital teaching we all have to accept is slowly becoming a virtual reality. The interactions at all levels, the feedback and the lessons learned will go a long way in fine-tuning and polishing future efforts. We look forward to a very valuable session which will pave the way for our endeavors. Though we as an institution or person may remain distant to many, this effort would keep us connected for achieving a common goal of learning together and build in us the confidence to impart the same meaningfully. May God Almighty bless each one of us in these trying times. Take care and stay safe. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Now back to Sunila, ma'am. Sunila, ma'am.
May I now invite Dr. Rainey, ma'am, the principal of MES College, to give her remarks to address the gathering.
Rani, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And good morning and a warm welcome for the national level online workshop on digital teaching and smart learning. Indeed, this opportunity of collaboration is such a wonderful thing when we are sitting in our home in the period of lockdown and we are moving on to learning new things. I think this opportunity will give a wide range of spectrum of thoughts that we can implement in our classrooms. During this period of lockdown, we have moved ahead the barriers of being together. Social distancing has become the need of the hour. And with this, the collaboration with Titus Second Teachers College, Kerala, MES is so proud to have this collaboration, and we are really thankful that the principal, Dr. Matai, has agreed to this collaboration, and we are marching ahead for a great and wonderful session. At this point of time, I would like to place on records the contribution done by each one of us, especially the government, the medical authorities, and we as citizens who are really taking due care and safety precautionary measures towards this pandemic and trying our best to combat every trials that are coming our way. The overwhelming response for this digital learning workshop has really been it's a wide opening for us to understand that how much we are in thirst for learning. We have moved, digital technology at times have been only an assistive tool for us. But today, as we see, digital technology is something that has to be a habit for us for few days ahead or few months ahead. Hence, to know it and to learn it from an expert is really a blessing for each one of us. We are going to take this long ahead in our sessions, in our life. This period of the lockdown or social distancing is something that we are going to remember all throughout our life. But one more thing that we are going to learn is all the aspects that we have learned throughout this period of social distancing and lockdown is something that is going to be remembered. Let's not take it as a dark side of life, but let us take it as a brighter side of life, wherein today we have been able to learn more, understand more, and be more empathetic to the world outside. With this, I would really like to thank Titus Second Teachers Training College, Kerala, and the management of MES's Pillai College of Education and Research for their support and for their contribution towards organizing this workshop. A special thanks to Nasir Ali, who has been the resource person for the 6 days workshop, and also to each one of you who have been really ardently looking forward for a wonderful session. A mention to a special thanks to the coordinators of the workshop. I'm sure you all are going to have, we are really going to build a great learning community in the days ahead. Thank you so much for this vibrant learning platform. And I'm sure that we are going to see many more things in future. With this, I would like to pass on my message that learning is not something that we as teachers always speak about lifelong learning. And today it is learning through digital technology, and let this digital technology learning be and make us smart throughout our lives. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Sunila, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Now, shall we move on to the session? I humbly invite Nasir Ali, sir, to lead the session and make us more vibrant in this area. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. And thank you all the participants, and a very good morning to all. Now, as we mentioned yesterday, you please try to use the chat box and raise your hand options.